Thanks for ordering the online course How to Create Your Online Courses. But please do not close this page. Listen to these instructions carefully to be sure that your access is not lost. And to see how you can get full access to all the modules in my online course creation program, that's 6 in total, to complete your set. Firstly, make sure that you bookmark the course page, which you can find here. You should then be able to sign into the course after clicking on the Sign In menu option in the top right-hand corner. Here's why it's so important that you don't lose your connection to the course. The video course that you just enrolled in is part of a 6-module program of online course creation courses, which can all be found within the 6-Minute Strategist School that you have just joined. Together, these 6 courses represent a comprehensive program showing you how to plan, prepare, produce, publish and promote online courses and much, much more. And don't forget that you already own the first module in this program. This complete program is sitting in the 6-Minute Strategist School right now, just waiting for you to access them. Normally, each module would sell for $197 each, and the bundle program for a total of $997. But in just a second, I'll show you how you can access the entire program for a fraction of this price. As a nascent online course instructor, you would have not missed headlines like this: Udemy's top 10 instructors have earned $17 million. That's why I put this comprehensive program together. And I want to make it accessible to you today as affordably as possible. To be successful as an online course creator, you need to master all 6 stages of the course creation process if you want to compete and win. Preparation, course planning, production, publication, promotion, and platforms going beyond marketplaces. And now you have them all in one place, just waiting for you right now in the 6-Minute Strategist School. Once inside, you will have access to the Expert Identifier, showing you how to identify exactly what to teach. The Topic Identifier, showing you exactly which topics have the most demand. The Course Identifier, where you will discover how to turn your expertise and your topic into a highly profitable course. The Course Constructor, showing you exactly how to record and produce your online course. And that's just to name a few. And remember, these are all waiting for you right now inside the 6-Minute Strategist School. But what if you are new to online course marketing? Well, the Course Publisher has it all covered for you. We'll take you in detail step by step through the launch process. Pre-launch, launch and post-launch, everything is covered. And then, after you've launched, what happens? Well, we have that covered there too. The Comprehensive Course Promoter takes you through detailed strategies to help you promote your course and keep the sales coming in after your launch. And if that was not enough, every module comes packed with additional PDFs, checklists and templates to help you succeed with your online courses. And I have it set up so that this entire course is ready and waiting for you in the 6-Minute Strategist School. But I don't want you to feel pressured into claiming the program. If you decide you're not interested, I'll just put a lock on them so you lose access to all but the module you've already purchased. No hard feelings. But if you know that you want to complete your access to the entire course program, this is how you do it. I want to make this entire program available for you today for just a single one-off payment of not $997, not $497, just $97. And this exclusive deal is being offered to you because you have taken action and already purchased the first module of the Expert Equation program. The global e-learning market is poised to grow at a CAGR of around 7.2% over the next decade to reach approximately $325 billion by 2025. Today, there are 60,000 courses and 20 million students on Udemy. When I started back in 2013, there were just 6,000 courses and 600,000 students. In an ocean of online course gurus telling you what to do, I don't just show you how to do it, I do it myself every day. So just imagine what it would be like for you if you had online course sales on Udemy just like mine. Every day I'm teaching new instructors how to succeed. This is what one student had to say about one of my online course creation courses. And I quote, "Very insightful, makes the stress of creating a course from scratch and wondering if it's going to be any good a lot more manageable. Thank you, John." Well, thank you, Sean, for those very kind words. Let me share this short video with you. Sarah and her son attended one of my live 2-day seminars for this training.
Hi, this is Mother and Son Incorporated. I am Sarah and
I'm Andrew.
we are on John Colley's course on how to create a Udemy courses. And I got this on email and I was blown away, and there was no way I was going to miss it. And I am so glad that I did come. What about you, Andrew?
Yeah, it's really good, and it's provided me with lots of information that I didn't know before about Udemy and the whole course thing. So yeah, it's really good.
You likely to do a course?
Yes, definitely. I definitely want to do a course.
Excellent. Same here. Really godsend, and really has helped me a lot. And even having done a lot of research online, there's a lot of information. There is no other way I would have found it, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much, John, for your time.
Thank you.
Just imagine how much quicker and easier this will make the creation of your online courses. All you have to do is click on the Upgrade My Program button below. This is your chance to become an insider for a change, to know exactly what you need to do instead of having to spend all your precious time trying to figure it out for yourself. But if you think that everything's just tickety-boo, that you will be able to figure out these 6 modules all on your own, simply select Revoke My Access and you'll be downgraded to just being able to access the first module you've already purchased. But if you are who I think you are, someone who is passionate about sharing and monetizing your expertise, then we need you. We want you to accept our invitation to join the Expert Equation community. Please join us, and together we can help share knowledge, expertise and information with students all over the world. So click on the upgrade option, the Upgrade My Program button below, and join experts just like you in the Expert Equation program. Remember, you won't find this offer anywhere else, and this program is not available on Udemy. This is just for you because you have already taken the first step by investing in Module 1 of the program. But once this window closes, so does your opportunity. And oh yes, just with all my training, you have a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Okay, this is your last chance. Select the Upgrade My Program option now to join the Expert Equation program today to get full access to all 6 modules of the training. Do it now, and I will see you in the program.